Hey guys, so I'm packing. It's a mess. Like, let me show you what's going on. Okay. So this is the clothes. I'm trying to do that TikTok trend. You know, where you poke the holes through thing. And let's just take a moment to look at the size of the garbage bags. Wait, quick story time, just real quick. I was at Walmart going to get garbage bags for that exact reason. I want big black garbage bags to fit all of my clothes in, you know, because that's just how it goes. And, you know, I got them, went home, started packing, literally got 40, a big roll of them, and they're so small, but we're making it work. I don't care. It gets the job done. It like just hangs out a little bit with it's fine, honestly. It doesn't really matter. But I was like, really? So I got 3 of those going so far. Random clothes that I'm trying to do. These are the clothes I don't want. Trying to be artsy. Not artsy, but you know, so I'll know. So those are my pants so far. Shoes. I have literally so much. Like, this is everything we're not taking to California. My mom's gonna take this back to her place. All of this, so it's just like we don't have much stuff. It's just like little knickknacks and like little stuff. Yeah, and so I gotta pack all my clothes, all of them. Look how much, like, oh. And this is just other random stuff. Got my snowboard, longboard, tent, fishing pole, posters. I'm here. And so I kind of decided, while I'm packing, just do a little pack with me. Because why not? I'm so bored. Joseph is surfing like usual. And I really wanted to go, but except I like to film him. And just to like see the waves, because there was supposed to be a hurricane that hit South Carolina. So there was huge waves. Okay, I don't know where to set my camera. Sorry about that angle, that's ugly. I'm breaking up because of face masks. I know a lot of people are, so, you know, embrace it. I mean, I like always have breakouts, but my face has been doing pretty good, and it usually does pretty good in the summer because, you know, I'm like swimming in the ocean. Well, this summer I am, but I'm like outside, you know, tan, whatever. But yeah, so there was really big waves. It's literally the biggest waves I've ever seen in my life. I don't know how people surf those. Like, I wish. There was this girl out there, and she was like so good. Like, she was ripping those waves and like going, and I'm like, I want that. Like, I want that to be me. But like, I go out and it's like 2 to 3 foot waves, and I literally drown. Like, I get destroyed. Like, it's so hard. Like, I literally go down the wave and I'm like getting drowned by water. But okay, that's off topic. But yeah, so I wanted to go, but my parents come tomorrow to help me pack. Then they leave on Sunday, and we leave on Monday. So, I mean, I have a lot to do. I have literally I have like a lot packed, but I don't know, I'm just stressing. So I'm packing just like a bunch of random stuff, and I'm just like such a hoarder with my clothes and things. Like, it's kind of bad. Like, I don't know, like, for example, these pants and this like buttoned up shirt, like, I don't wear those. The reason why I got those is because when I first moved down here, I got a job at Outback Steakhouse, and this was like the clothing I wear. I literally worked there for one day. I didn't like it, didn't show up, whatever, different story. And I'm like, maybe I'll use this again. I'm just gonna pack it, even though I've literally only worn this one time for that reason. And I'm like, maybe if I have to dress like this again, but like, why am I like this? Like, I'm still packing it though. Like, I'm actually taking this, even though like I don't wear stuff like this. But it's like scenarios go through my head. I'm like, okay, what if I get another job like that? Then I don't have to buy it again. Or like, what if I go to like, you know, party, like Halloween party dressed as those frat guys? Like, you know how like I'm just using it as an example. I don't really know, but it's getting packed, even though I don't wear it. Whatever, if I end up not wearing it in California, I can give it away. I never wear these clothes. Like, I really need to start, because like a lot of these are so cute, and I don't know why, like I like forget I have them, and I wear like the same 10 things all the time. Like, what? Does anyone else do that? Because I do that. Look how tiny this bag is. We'll make it work. What else should I talk about? Okay, and I just folded all these, and now I'm gonna just stuff them in the bag. Like, why did I fold that? Whatever, it's fine. And we're only bringing our clothes to California since we don't have a place. The place that we're getting for a month is just like a room in someone's apartment that we don't know. It's just on Airbnb. So we can't bring like any of our stuff, and we're only taking one car. We're only taking Joseph's car, and he has a tiny Chevy Malibu. So we're not bringing any of our furniture. We have a bed, we have bookshelves, all of our like pictures and little like knick-knack things that we've gotten. We're not taking any of that, sadly. We're just gonna, my parents, they live in Florida now, by the way. They moved to Florida when I moved to South Carolina. And same with my two sisters. They live in Florida too, so I'm really sad leaving them. But what was I saying? I have a bad memory, so this is probably gonna be a lot. I'm just probably gonna do this a lot, but I literally forgot what I was saying. Oh, my mom and dad are they're coming down here, and they are gonna take my car. I have a Lexus, it's like a SUV, RX 330 to be specific. But we're gonna stuff my car with everything we can fit, and they're gonna take it, and when we get an apartment down in California, we're gonna ship my car, hopefully. If not, we'll figure it out, but that's the plan. These are the bookshelves in bed, other bookshelf that I was talking about. And our plan with those are to donate them to Goodwill. We're gonna try to take apart my bed frame and take that, but if not, give it to Goodwill or just like a local thrift shop. And that's the plan for now, but yeah, like I'll keep you guys updated. So my boyfriend has these white overalls. He doesn't really wear them, but he's like skater trendy boy, so that's why he has them. And I want to get like a full pair of overalls like these. I'm like, let me try them on. Like, this is his shirt too, because I packed on my long sleeves. So this is how it looks. And honestly, like, this is giving me like painter vibes, like, but I mean, I honestly feel like with the right overalls, like I wouldn't get white, with the right shirt or sweater or something, it could be cute. So potential future buy, maybe overalls, but maybe not, because like, I look really ugly. This is just sweatshirts. What is wrong with me? I do not need that many sweatshirts. Alright, so I just want to hop in. I'm actually in California right now. I was just editing the packing vlog, and that's all I filmed. Like that last clip, I got really stressed out, and I just didn't film anything. I was just stressed and, you know, going through it. But I actually only brought like, I think it's 4 bags of clothes I brought. I ended up unpacking everything and going through it, and I donated a lot of clothes, and I like gave some bags of clothes to my mom to keep in Florida while I'm here, because we just didn't have enough room in Joseph's car. I just wanted to give you an update on the Outback Steakhouse clothes, you know, that I was telling you guys about. I ended up giving those away, so proud of myself. Because I don't wear them, you know, I don't know, I always overthink everything. But I ended up giving this away, and I gave a lot of clothes away, so that's good. And what we ended up doing with the bookshelves and everything, We actually put like our couch and some stuff like that on OfferUp, and this one family came and took like a lot of stuff. They ended up taking the bookshelves. They actually also took like rocking chairs we had, and they took like just random little stuff that we had left behind. So I'm glad we got to help out that family. We ended up taking apart the bed, and my mom and dad took our bed frame and our mattress, so I'm really happy we got to keep that. It ended up fitting in my dad's truck, so that's a plus. So when we get an apartment, we get to have a bed. We don't have to buy a new one. That's awesome. I didn't film anything when my parents came because we were just packing and, you know, having our last moments. It was so sad. I did cry. I was so sad when they left. I'm gonna miss them so much. I do miss them so much. But I'm gonna see them for Christmas, so keep our hopes up. But yeah, that's it for the packing vlog. So thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.